Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 with QLED display, stylus support launched, price, specifications. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 has been unveiled for CES 2021 as the successor to last year's Galaxy Chromebook. The new model has a QLED display that comes as a noteworthy upgrade over the AMOLED screen available on the predecessor. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 also comes with thinner bezels. Samsung has retained the 2-in-1 form factor and offered support for Universal Stylus Initiative (USI) pen on the new Chromebook. Further, the Galaxy Chromebook 2 comes in two distinct color options to choose from and have Intel Celeron and 10th generation Intel Core i3 variants, and it has also dropped the price significantly. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 price. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 price starts at $549.99, roughly 40,300 rupees, as reported by The Verge. The pricing is significantly lower than the Galaxy Chromebook that debuted at $999.99, roughly 73,300 rupees. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 comes in Fiesta Red and Mercury Gray color options. Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 specifications. The Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 features a 13.3-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels, QLED display with touch support. It is powered by either Intel Celeron 5205U or 10th generation Intel Core i3 10110U processor, paired with Intel UHD graphics and up to 8GB of LPDDR3 RAM. The Chromebook comes in 64GB and 128GB storage options, along with expansion support via microSD card. Samsung has provided 5-watt stereo speakers along with smart AMP sound that is touted to produce audio output up to 178% louder than an average amplifier. There is also support for a stylus that can have up to 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity. The Galaxy Chromebook 2 features an HD, 720p, webcam. There is also a backlit, lattice keyboard. Further, the Chromebook includes a 45.5 Wh battery. Connectivity options on the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 include two USB Type-C ports, a headphone/microphone combo jack, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth v5.0. It runs on Google's Chrome OS with Google Play Store access. The Chromebook measures 304.9 by 203.2 by 13.9 mm and weighs 1.23 kilograms. This isn't that sleek or lightweight when comparing with the first-generation Galaxy Chromebook that had 9.9 mm of thickness and 1.04 kilograms of weight. But nonetheless, the cheaper price and the presence of QLED display makes the new model equally compelling. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.